How to delete hotels.com account. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to delete your hotels.com account, you usually need to request it through your account settings or customer support. So in today's video, we are going to provide you with a tutorial to do so. So let's get started. So in order to delete your account settings, we can go to hotels.com website and sign in into our account and go to our profile in the top right corner and click on it. And basically look out for this option called account and open it up, and that should open up the account page. Now from there we can look out for privacy settings or delete account options. From this section right here, we can go to profile, click on it, and once we click on profile, we can scroll down and look out for delete option here. If not there, we can look out for this option called security and settings and click on it, and within there we should probably find that option for deleting our account. Right here we have this account management section. We can just go and click on this option called delete account and confirm it up. We can select a reason why we are living and click on submit, and just go and confirm that you would like to delete your account. Click on this option called permanently delete account, and you can follow the instructions and confirm the deletion request. If you do not see this option here, what we can do is we can use the support page instead as well. So within hotels.com official site as well, we can go to the help or contact us, go to support and click on it, and that will open up the help center of hotels.com, and there we can just go over and look out for delete account and hit enter, and it should probably give us related article, and we can just go over and look out for the delete account link directly available, or basically follow up this step and you should be able to delete it. And that is it, everybody. Those are the ways you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.